Kagita gate kuraja nthiguru ya Kenya IKAGITA mawatho jaja kabangania uthithia ba MICEMANIO ya MWINGI ukurukira ugwati mbaru bwa mbunge nene obisi ya Attorney General na ugwati mbaru bangi kiri MICEMANIO gatigati ga clerk wa mbunge nene Samuel Njoroge Attorney General Mwarudo Krasudur nibogete bubu ugakinyanira ntuku itikuraja.
Everything is in the press, so it will be nice. Thank you. Thank you.
Kenya.
Everything is in the press, so it will be nice. Thank you.
We are conscious that in the National Assembly, there are about 4 bills now providing for the procedure for public participation. Those bills are drafted following requests by individual members and committees, and they are at various stages in the National Assembly. The Speaker of the National Assembly did instruct me as the clerk to look for a way of either harmonizing or drafting a separate piece of proposal that will speak to public participation, not just by Parliament, but also by the other organs in the national government, including the judiciary, of course, houses of Parliament, and also the executive and its different organs.
My office now assumes the responsibility of attending to the draft, the spruced version of which will in due course be returned for further vetting by the House. The rationale of the bill lies in the constitutional imperatives of inclusive, participatory, transparent, and accountable governance. We are called upon to further refine the draft with these principles in mind and taking into account all stakeholders' engagement and interests.